Fly tipping, that sanitized expression for dumping rubbish, may be big business in the United Kingdom, but scouring garbage for stuff to sell is the reality for most people across the world. This hands-on checks out a pioneering recycling project in Zimbabwe, where women are proving that despite a plummeting economy, they can still earn a living wage from waste. Also checks out a wormery in Argentina, where voracious waste-eating worms, originally from California, transform organic waste into an effective fertilizer.
In a farming suburb of Rosario, a worm composting company is using Acinia fotida, better known as the Californian red worm, to recycle animal and vegetable waste into a highly fertile compost known as humus.
A su vez, vamos a generar proteína animal.
We're generating animal protein of a very high quality and nutritional value. The basis of this is that we see a recycling process where rubbish is transformed into something useful.
De desperdicios que molestan, la lombriz transforma en algo útil.
In Argentina's fragile economy, the company is selling the worms to anyone with waste and a bit of space so they can produce humus. The company then takes it back and sells it on their behalf. It's early morning and a local farmer is dumping his horse and cow manure on fields belonging to Worms Argentina. Farmers get rid of their waste for cash and the composters get to work recycling it. Mario Veloces, the company's technical director, and 2 workers prepare the compost. It's half animal waste and half vegetable matter, in this case dried grass. Layers of about 10 centimeters of each are spread in turn to a height of up to 1 meter. Finally, the worms migrate to a pile that's still being fed.
Este compost ya tiene prácticamente 65 días de que suspendimos.
It is 65 days since we stopped feeding this compost, and it's being covered now for 20 days to accelerate the process.
Con ese plástico para.
It needs to remain covered for another 20 days to complete the process and to have humus of excellent quality.
Para poder terminar este humus para que sea de excelente calidad.
"205 days later, the humus is transferred to a machine that sifts out the rough stuff, leaving a fine finished product. Clients who've bought worms from the company and followed the same long process bring their finished humus back for marketing. From here, it's shipped all over Argentina and Brazil as wormalizer fertilizer. Back in Rosario, the worms just keep on turning.